Hello everyone. This video is the second part of chapter number 5, Seeds and Seeds. Let's see how seeds travel and reach different places. So, our first topic is wandering seeds. Children, as you know, plants cannot move around. Once they grow, they remain in the same place. But their seeds are great travelers. They can reach far and wide. Now let's see how seeds spread to far off places. Seeds are spread by birds, animals, air, and water. Many animals eat a fruit and throw the seed. Thus, these animals help in spreading seeds. Like in this picture, you can see squirrel carrying a seed. In the next picture, bird carrying a seed. It means seed travel with the help of animals. Some seeds have thin hair and are very light in weight. These seeds float on air and travel to other places. Some seeds stick to the fur of animals and thus are transported to other places. In the next picture, you can see seed is floating on water. So, some seeds float on water and thus travel to far off places. Children, sometimes we also carry seeds from one place to another, knowingly or sometimes unknowingly. Later, the seeds of these plants spread to other places. What would happen if seeds did not spread and remain at one place only? If seeds would not spread and would remain at one place only, there can be many problems, like all the seeds would fall near the parent tree. This will prevent those seeds from getting enough sunlight, air and water. As a result, most of the seeds would fall to germinate. New saplings growing under a tree would not grow properly. Idea of making Velcro. One day, George Mestral came back from a walk with his dog. He was surprised to find seeds sticking all over his clothes and also on his dog's fur. So he wondered what made them stick. So he observed all those sticked seeds under a microscope. He saw that the seed had many tiny hooks which got stuck to clothes or fur. This gave George the idea of making Velcro. This is called Velcro. So George made a material with similar tiny hooks that would stick. Velcro is a material for fastening clothes. It consists of two strips of fabric that stick to each other when they are pressed together. It was invented by George Mestral in 1948. Velcro is used to stick together many things like clothes, shoes, bags, belts and many more. Next topic is who came from where? Children, do you know all the vegetables which are now in our kitchen were not from our country? Let's know which plant came from where through this poem. The name of our poem is Did You Know This? From South America long ago came a tomato, a potato and a green chili. Do you know this? A cabbage came from Europe and also a pea. From Africa came a coffee bean and a green bhindi. They crossed the land, they crossed the sea. Did you know this? A mango sang, come in, come in. An orange smiled inside its skin. Welcome to India, a banana said. The methi and spinach, brinjal and radish nodded its head. Did you know this? So, tomato, potato and green chili came from South America. Pea and cabbage is from Europe. Coffee bean and green bhindi are from Africa. These vegetables were brought to India by traders. Now it's homework time.